here's the car behind the Guess the Gauges video that I just posted last night. This is a 1998 BMW Z3 1.9 liter 4-cylinder engine roadster. Obviously the top down there. Just a really slick looking car. Going to be a lot of content to come with this car in the future, and I am super excited to bring all that content to you guys. One of my favorite parts about the car is the 5-speed manual transmission. Makes it a lot of fun to drive. The car is not super powerful, but that 5-speed manual really makes it entertaining. The car handles extremely well. Paint has a great shine to it. And what we're going to be doing right now in this video, we are going to be doing Mcguire's 2-step headlight restoration. The headlights on this bad boy, much like many BMWs from the late 90s, early 2000s, they're just mega oxidized. So we are going to go ahead and see if we can apply this and make the lights look a lot clearer, at least some clearer, until I decide to go ahead and replace the lights. From what I understand, replacing the headlights can be a job, so hopefully this will last a little while. So let's go ahead and get started. What we're going to go ahead and do is unbox the product here, and we're going to go ahead and see what all is included with this 2-step restoration for the headlights. We have a cleaning solution, as you can see there. Headlight coating, I believe this is a spray. Yes, it is. And also, deep down in there, we have applicator, or a couple applicators actually. So we're going to look at the instructions here and see how exactly we need to apply this. Step 1, shake product well before use. Squeeze a quarter-sized amount of cleaning solution onto the cleaning pad provided. It's a white, pasty type solution, and we are going to apply it onto here in the size of approximately a quarter. Use a back and forth motion, thoroughly clean the entire headlight surface, reapply as needed. Back and forth and back and forth and back and forth. And we have the entire headlight now is completely covered, as you can see. Wipe the headlight surface with a clean towel to check progress. The surface is properly clean when it has a uniform frosted appearance across the entire headlight. Wipe clean with a damp cloth and dry completely. So we're going to just let that sit, I guess, for a couple minutes. Step 2, headlight must be 100% clean and dry before headlight coating is applied. Shake product well before use. Apply 1 medium wet coat of headlight coating to the entire headlight surface, overlapping the previous pass by 50%. Let the first coat dry 3 to 5 minutes. Follow with a second coat to completely seal the headlight lens. The coating will be dried to touch in 3 to 5 minutes and fully cure within 24 hours. Do not expose the coating to water until fully cured. You can see the comparison here. These are really oxidized, and to be honest, auctions that I've gone to and just BMWs that I've seen, their headlights just tend to oxidize like mad. I mean, they just, for some reason, they just fade. You think that they would hold up better, but for some reason they don't. And I mean, that's okay. Eventually these are going to be getting swapped out, so it's not like a big deal. Got some smear marks on there from earlier when I detailed the car. Dad's touching up from my just quick detail job. Paying attention to the details there. That paint does have a nice shine. We've got a damp cloth now, and I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off. And I've never done one of these kits before, so no clue how this is going to hold up or work, but we're gonna find out. I'm gonna wipe all this off here. Headlight is definitely clean. Whether or not that coating works, we'll find out. This is kind of a midway look. I don't know if we can really see. Oh yeah, well that's wet over there, but definitely seeing a difference so far, at least. I don't know if it's going to hold up or not, but we're going to get that coating on there. The light is now dry to the touch. And I'm going to go ahead. I shook this pretty generously, as you can see. I'm going to go ahead and let's give it a test spray. There we go. And if you're sensitive to chemicals, you might want to wear a mask there, because you could see it's blowing back pretty badly. I don't know how this is going to hold up as far as once it dries, but I'm going to let this sit 3 to 5 minutes and then come back with a second coat. So far, look at the difference there. That's a noticeable difference. Look at that, Dad. Difference between the two. I mean, you standing back here, you can see the difference. Look at the difference there.
Yeah, once it dries, that's where you'll be able to tell for sure.
Exactly. Hopefully when this dries, it stays like this, because it looks, as of now, it looks good. I do have a little bit of a hair there. I don't want to mess with too much. There we go. What I'm going to do now is actually put another quarter size on the other applicator pad of the cleaner. I'm going to put that over here, and let's go ahead and start cleaning this one. This one right here is got some stuff on it, and it's just nasty. But let's go ahead and put more of our cleaner on the second applicator pad. Ooh. I'm going to do just a smidgen more than I did last time. It's not a lot more, but just a little bit more, just so I have enough to spread it around and make sure it's got enough to play with there. That stuff right there needs to come off. It doesn't say do a circular motion, it says do a back and forth motion, if I remembered right, after going over the instructions there. And I'm getting it a little bit on the body over here, a little bit sloppy. It's probably not going to hurt the paint though. What's going on back here? Sloppy Joe, you said?
Speaking of sloppy.
Oh, overspray.
Yeah.
That's the over.
Look, here's where I did.
That's where he
If
did.
you're gonna clean it, then you should.
That's the overspray from the detailer that I missed.
Yeah. Overspray, underwork.
Yeah, overspray and underwork. That's about it. Appreciate you hitting that. Thank you. And we look how clean his van is here. I wonder who cleaned this.
Terrible.
Look at the pollen. The pollen is just absolutely wow. Look how thick the pollen. Look at this.
Oh shit.
That was on the van.
Wow.
Even my truck in here, you can see the truck is just absolutely coated. It's probably a little dusty too, because I haven't driven that in probably almost a week. Dry to touch, 3 to 5 minutes. It is certainly dry now. Let's go ahead and apply our second coat here. Did you get a whiff of that? Come on. Did you get a whiff of that? Mm-hmm. Like I said, if you're sensitive to chemicals, then you should probably put a mask on. I'm not saying that Dad is sensitive to chemicals. He just gets pissed off when chemicals go in his air passages.
Is that dry?
I just sprayed the second coat on to seal it.
Ah.
So we will see.
Better.
Yeah. Yeah, it does for sure.
Yeah.
Yep, I'm gonna wipe this one off over here with our rag, damp rag that we used for the other one. And like I said, a little bit sloppy over here on the body. Wipe that off of there.
I'll do it right.
Appreciate it, Dad. Dad to the rescue to do everything the right way.
Okay.
I keep getting it on the body again after you wipe it. That is dry now, and you can see the noticeable difference. Here we are with the final coat of the headlight coating.
Oh shit.
What? What?
I gotta get out of the way or that's gonna kill me.
Oh. All right. Ready? Well, we know how it's going to look when it dries because that's how it looks when it dries. And yeah, that's the results right there, guys. You can see that the Mcguire's two-step. Let's go ahead and show the box one more time. Here it is over here. Mcguire's two-step headlight restoration kit. So yeah, I'm not endorsed by Mcguire's or anything, but definitely would recommend this product because it clearly produces very noticeable results. And I'm probably going to be swapping the headlights out in, I don't know, maybe a month or two. But until I swap those out, if this holds up, that just makes it look like a totally different front end of the vehicle. So I appreciate you watching. Rate this video before you go, and also stay tuned for more reviews and more videos of the BMW Z3.